motherfuckers wanna find me. That shit crazy. That shit crazy.
Okay, so we have just arrived at McDonald's. And we are going to go ahead and do
the 120 chicken nugget challenge. So it will be what, 40
nuggets each person
so
in 20 minutes. Yeah. So we're in McDonald's now. Oh my gosh, this looks so different. We haven't been here since high school, so this is pretty crazy.
Hi, can I get 6 boxes of the 20-piece chicken nuggets?
So total 160 nuggets, right?
A total of 120, yeah.
60 nuggets?
120 nuggets.
Total, yeah.
6 boxes of 20-piece chicken nuggets.
Yeah.
We have all of our nuggets here on the table, if you guys can see that. Look at this place.
Ketchup?
Yeah. You took all my ketchup?
Actually, not.
Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get started.
The challenge is to eat all 40 in 20 minutes.
I feel like trying to swallow the high fructose corn syrup down my throat.
Alright, y'all ready?
Ready?
Set?
Go.
Go. New box.
Right more.
Oh shit, I'm fucking losing. How are you feeling?
I did one more from a box, so.
How are you feeling?
I'm getting full.
I'm still working on my first one.
Box over.
One box down. One box down. I'm still on the first one. Fuck that shit. Box 3. You even die.
Do you want me to puke all over you guys?
Puke that way. I don't care if you puke, it's not on me.
What? I'm fucking full!
Thank you. Keep going.
I'm full. I ate 2 boxes.
13 minutes left. Alfredo's full. He's on his 3rd box.
I'm 1 away from my 3rd box.
2 away.
Count him. Count him.
Read him, I'm weak, motherfucker. I burned my box.
Seconds!
20 seconds.
Chicken nugget challenge?
Hurry the fuck up. Hurry the fuck up. You're about to fucking win. 10.
Eat it.
9. Hey.
How many chicken nuggets again? 40?
6. 5.
Take the bun. Take the
She's about to puke. She's about to puke.
Okay, she's good.
Done.
You have to finish your shit now.
Hell no. The challenge was 40. I did 37. We have 3 more left.
Right now. I'm not gonna play.
Did you not eat all day? No,
I am not
We
a
did the
fat
cinnamon
ass.
challenge
I will not
an
eat
hour
40
ago.
pieces of chicken nuggets. These are for my sister, but that one's yours.
Can we just document the legendary right now? She finished 40 in 20
Louder.
minutes. She finished 40 in 20 minutes. I did 37. That's
40 nuggets in 20 minutes, motherfuckers!
You lost!
she
You
won.
didn't swallow it when time
Okay,
was-
fine. 39.
39. She still beat you. And I didn't want to.
So here's your aftermath. How do you feel?
I can't even talk.
How do you feel?
I feel like I have like 30 pounds of cholesterol on my heart.
How many did you get done?
37. 37.
I got 39, the 40th one still in my mouth when the timer went off.
And this is why I forfeited. So in the end, what did we learn from this crap? Well, for starters, I can only eat up to 23 pieces. Betty can eat 39 pieces. And Emily can eat like 34 pieces. I forfeited because I couldn't eat them. I was fucking full. Not only that, but I felt like I wanted to puke. Fuck that shit. They're still over there at McDonald's, still trying to puke their asses off because they're full as fuck.
Alright, so here we are in the bathroom.
In the McDonald's bathroom, because we just finished the challenge. Brenda here won with 39. Yeah, I came in second with 37. And just so you know, of course, our fellow friend Alfredo was in it. This bitch couldn't handle it, so he stopped at what, 25, 23?
20 something.
23. He's gonna go ahead and say that he just was full, and that's why he forfeited. Nah, he was disqualified because he couldn't handle it. So don't believe what he says, because he just couldn't handle his shit and he just stopped at 23.
Hi.
Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to just like pass out. So that was the chicken nugget challenge for us. I hope all of you out there enjoyed that because that was shit for May. Yeah, it's pretty gross. That was 3 weeks ago and not one nugget has come near me. No thank you. Yeah, that was 3 weeks ago because, like I said, there were some technical difficulties, so it's taken that long to finally get it all together. It was filmed on multiple cameras, so there's like technical difficulties here and there and opening it this shit, and so just meshing it all together and jumbling it into one and whatnot was a challenge within itself. But I hope you guys enjoyed that, and even though it was shit for me, I won!
That's your price. That's your price.
Okay, I'll stop being an idiot now. But y'all, I won, niggas. I won that shit. So, anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and Happy New Year's to you, and Merry Christmas, very late Merry Christmas. And go ahead and give me a high five right here to subscribe to my channel. Come on, hit that shit. And go ahead and like this video. And stick around because there's a lot more coming. And I know I sound like shit right now because I'm coming down with something and it really sucks. I'm actually even still in my PJs, but who doesn't do that nowadays, right? Right? Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and and stick around because there's a lot more coming. Okay, so go ahead and follow me and stalk me everywhere. You can find all of those links down in my pantaloons. Yep, they're there. So go ahead and check that out, or you can even just stay to the end of this video and see all of my information right here.